Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a DIY. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget the notification button. I will wait. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we must prepare the supplies. And tada, here's the supplies that we need. Some markers or some Stabilo, some origami paper or just white paper, some scissors, and don't forget pencil. So first we must prepare some origami paper or just white paper which is square. Then we must fold it into triangle like this. Make it really straight and don't mess up so it looks really perfect. Then there's 2 pieces there and you just need to take one of them. So there, you must put it up and make it really straight. So it will be the same. After that, you must fold, which is the 2 ear, looks like an ear. Fold it down so it will look like diamond. Yeah, little diamond. So it will be straight until you almost cannot see, which is in the middle of the line. Then you see it looks like an ice cream cone. When you open it, fold it inside and do that to the other 2. So it will look like this in front, and from back it looks like that. In the middle you have to make it really straight, no hole at all. Ta-da! Now you need to keep decorated. You can make like emoji, unicorn, and much more stuff, but I'll make it just a simple one. And you can write the name. Write my name there. Ta-da! Done? Now I'll use it too. First, we must prepare some origami paper or just white paper which is square. Next, you must fold it into triangle and make it straight. Next, take the 1 piece which is before, put it up and make it straight. Ta-da! Then, which is the 2 ear, fold it up down and do the other side too. It's almost the same like before, but it's different. So just follow the step if you want to make. Then you have to fold, make it straight. Then, which is in the middle, you cannot see the hole. And when you see the inside, you will see it looks like a hole. Then for the 2 paper which you have folded, you must put it in until it will make looks like diamond. So yeah, it's like before. So in the line, you also cannot see anything. Then take the scissors, cut it, and make a circle. I'll just use this circle because that's the same size which I have. You can make it even bigger or smaller. I'll make the same size, which is the circle. So yeah, I really like pencil. You can use it with pen, marker, and the pencil. And use the blue highlighters. I'll use pencil and following the circle. Then you see the pencil and just cut it following that. You can cut it in the front or at the back. And if it's at the back, the pencil won't be thin, so yeah, I'll throw it at the back. It looks like circle already. It will be have 3 holes, which is up, left, and right there, and you just need to decorate it. I'll just make a simple decoration, and you can write the name back there. It's done. You can do emoji, unicorn, and much more stuff. Like animal, yeah. Then that's the all. Thank you. See the result and what's the useful of this. So you just need to take your book or
It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. And if you want it inside your soul, just open up your heart, let music take control. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. The room unlocked the way we rock it, so don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel a good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. So just dance, dance, dance. Stop the feeling. So keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. Can't stop the feeling.
Thanks so much. Bye.